today's video we are trying to plant again, and hopefully this time it will not take 1 year long for everything to bloom. I have some tulips from Amsterdam, and I wanted from the flower market from Amsterdam, and I wanted to plant them. They already had you see the leaves out, so I think it will go great this time, because they are not planted in September like they should be. Now I'm cutting one bag so I can do my thing here and hopefully not destroy all the house with the dirt. It's a bit too cold outside to actually do it outside, and I catch the cold, so I don't wanna do it outside, and you can't make me. I have here also, I took from the refrigerated section some mint, and I put it in one pot with water, just a little bit. And look, 5 days later, not even 5, yes, 5 days later, and I'm planning to plant it, and it will be my first aromatic plant of the year. For sure, it will turn out amazing. Now let's see. I will plant the mint, not in a pot, but in a plastic glass like that. Guys, I don't know where to film to not make a mess. The reason I'm filming like this is because whenever you work with dirt, you make a mess. And really, I don't want to make a mess right now. So this is the reason behind everything. And why am I doing this? So I will put dirt here, and I also have this kit of forget-me-not, but it has its own dirt and stuff, so that's great. I took some dirt. I hope it's the right type of dirt, because nowadays even dirt has its own thing. Ooh, I think I will have enough, and I will have even more. I'm happy, happy, happy. Okay, I have a full log inside. But yeah, you know. Okay. I don't know if you can see, but I've already put it. And now, usually, normally, in the normal world, you need maximum 3 bulbs in this small pot, but I will do my best and stuff everything inside. So let's see. Okay, let's do this one here. I don't know, do you see anything? I did it like this. Now this one, and I don't know, you don't have to do this step and take everything out. But I'm doing it because some of them already have mold, and I want to clean the mold so they will not rot in the dirt. prepare a hole, put it inside. Now this one, the small one, now a big one, and believe it or not, if this is not enough, and it's not, I will put two more in something else. Okay, this has to stay a little bit more out. Yeah, definitely this is not a big pot, but this is all I have. So two of them, two plants more, two tulips, I will plant them separately. Into two of these. I'm really curious how and what colors. I know I've bought black tulips, pink tulips, and white and red tulips. But you know, when you see them, it's different when when they bloom in your own garden and in your own environment. I know these are big tulips and they're better in the garden than what I'm doing right now, but you know, it's good enough. Like I said, this started to have a little bit of mold. I hope it will not rotten. Two more plastic pots. I destroyed my manicure, but that's okay, I guess. I hope. Okay, and now the piece of rose stones, the mint. And I wanted to let it like this inside the plastic, just to protect it, to have like a warmer environment. And I think everything will turn out great. Okay. Okay. Is this done? Done. Woohoo! So I think this is everything. I have to water a little bit the plants and put them in front of my window so they have water. I will leave today. Okay. I will plant this with you just to see the kit, how you do it. and in a few seconds I have to close everything, clean a little bit here. I put holes in the plastic cups for the how do you call it, for the tulips and for the mint, and I put it on my window. And now we have this. It's forget-me-not. They are my favorite flowers. So I'm putting the tablet here, and put 30 milliliters of water, and you will see the magic. But because I have this good substrate, I don't know, something moist and good, and I think it's 100% natural, I will add and mix with the potting soil. But first we need to hydrate this, and as you can see, we don't have much luck with it. And then these are the seeds, which I think they're quite a lot. Forget-me-not, 5 grams of them. We will see. I think I put more than 30 milliliters of water, and boy, I feel like back in the day when I was 5 and I was playing in the dirt. But anyway, this is not hydrated yet, so I am in a pinch and in a rush, so I kind of have to do this as fast as possible. So I have to do that ASAP. Let's see. We mixy all together. I think I did a mess, but yeah, sure. Put everything like this, like so. A lot. I'm going to wash my hands because what I have here is a complete mess. Okay. Try to put the seeds and try to not spill any of them because they are precious. Whoops. I think I managed to put them all in one single place, which is not great. Not terrible, but you know, it's not much, but it's honest work. And now I'm trying to spread a thin layer of dirt or whatever on top and try to keep everything moist. I will be out this weekend, so I hope this terracotta pot will help, because otherwise I don't know what I will do. Pour some extra water. This is it. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you guys later. Bye. I will come with the result in the same video for you. It's a second 2 weeks since I planted my bulbs and seeds and everything, and I wanted to give you a quick update. Look at them. Okay, this I had, it was a present, a nice one. I love it, and she's happy here in the garden, in my personal garden, in front of my stinking window, because you know, life in a block in a dusty town is tough. Anyway, I found this last autumn on the street, just 2 branches tied together, and I am clipping its heads and stacking them in the soil just like this. I'm not doing anything special about it,
and look, is growing like a weed, but no flowers yet, so I don't know what is happening to it and what's her problem here. I'm curious about the colors because usually they are white, yellow, orange, pink, hot pink, red, white. You know, I was just, what is happening to it? Why is not blooming yet? Anyway, this is, I love them. This is my forget-me-not. They are full of plants and I hope they will bloom soon, probably 1 month later or something like that, I'm not sure. And my tulips started already opening from the cover that they had. This one is not so happy, but it was the tiniest one. This started opening. I'm not sure about this one, just let me, okay. So they are all opening. I have one that was moldy, but it's opening. I planted my mint and actually I took the leaves off because, I don't know if you can see, I'm trying to zoom in, but we have little branches and I took the leaves out just for it to grow nicely. And let the small branches develop. Of course, one more tulip that I didn't have space for. These are crocus. They already had flowers. They were already planted, but yeah, you know, life is life. And this is crasula or jade tree or money tree. Either you want to call it. I'm trying to catch one because I have one in my room and it's a nice tree and I wanted to have one more for the kitchen or for the living room. We will see. But that is it and they are happy. What can I say? My flowers are happy. I will come with another update in another 2 weeks or maybe when they bloom. I'm not sure. But I will keep you up to the date.